Good morning, children. Welcome back to your maths class. Children, in our life classes, we have already done division of 3-digit number by 1-digit number. So today, let us revise that. Children, in this example, we have to divide 438 by 5. As we already know that we always start dividing the digits from the left side of the dividend. That means from here. Now, before starting division, we will compare the first digit of the dividend, that is 4, with the divisor. Here the divisor is 5. As we can see, 4 is smaller than 5. So we cannot divide 4 by 5. In that case, children, we will take the second digit of the dividend also, along with the first digit. That means now we will divide 43 by 5. So let us search 43 in the table of 5. As we can see here, children, 43 doesn't come in the table of 5. Then what we will do? Children, in that case, we will look for a number that is less than 43. But the number should be nearest to 43 also. So let us search the number which is less than 43, but it should be nearest to 43 also. So here, as we can see, children, 5 into 8 is 40. So children, we will write 8 as a quotient and 40 just below 43, because 5 into 8 is 40. Now we will subtract it. So 3 minus 0. 3 minus 0 is 3 only. So we will write 3. Now 4 minus 4 is 0. Now children, we will bring down 8, which is given at the ones place. Now the remainder, that is 3, and the brought down digit, that is 8, forms a new number, new dividend. So new number is 38. Now we will search this 38 in the table of 5. So now let us search 38 in the table of 5. Children, as we can see here that 38 does not come in the table of 5. So what we will do next? Yes, children, we will look for a number which is less than 38, but it should be nearest to 38 also. So children, let us search that number in the table of 5. As we can see here, children, that 5 into 7 is 35. So children, we will write 7 here as a quotient and 35 just below 38. Now we will subtract it. So 8 minus 5 is, yes, it is 3. And 3 minus 3 is 0. So children, we have got 87 as a quotient and 3 is remainder. Now children, let us see one more question. Children, here we have to divide 736 from 8. Now, as we know, children, that we always start dividing the digits from the left side of the dividend. That means from here. So children, let us start. Before starting the division, we will compare the first digit of the dividend, that is 7, with the divisor. So here the divisor is 8. Children, as we can see that 7 is smaller than 8. So we cannot divide 7 by 8. Then what we will do? We will take the second digit of the dividend also along with the first digit. So now we will divide 73 by 8. Children, now let us search 73 in the table of 8. Children, as we can see here that 73 doesn't come in the table of 8. Then what we will do? In that case, we will look for a number that is less than 73. But the number should be nearest to 73 also. So, let us search the number that is less than 73, but it should be nearest to 73 also. Children, as we can see here that 8 into 9 is 72. So we will write 9 as a quotient and 72 just below 73, because 8 into 9 is 72. Now children, we will subtract it. So 3 minus 2 is 1 and 7 minus 7 is 0. Now we will bring down 6, which is given at the ones place. Now children, the remainder, that is 1, and the brought down digit, that is 6, forms a new number, a new dividend, that is 16. Now let us search this 16 in the table of 8. As we can see here children, 8 into 2 is 16. So 2 we will write here as quotient and we will write 16 just below 16, because 8 into 2 is 16. Now children, we will subtract it. So 6 minus 6 is 0 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So children, we have got 92 as quotient and 0 as remainder.